Today I'm making spicy scrambled tofu with harissa paste. It's protein-packed, low-carb, and perfect for keeping your glucose in range. Stick around and you'll also learn how to choose the right tofu to get that perfect texture. For this recipe we'll need tofu, harissa paste, onion and garlic, ripe avocado, spinach or rocket salad, chili flakes, and cilantro for decoration. When picking tofu, silken or soft works best for this recipe because we want to get that smooth and scrambled egg texture. Here I have pressed Chinese style tofu, which is also good for frying. First, we remove the tofu from its packaging and pat it dry with paper towels to get rid of extra moisture. Let it sit for 10 minutes under the press while we prep the remaining ingredients. Slice the onion thinly to help it cook evenly and caramelize beautifully in the pan. The thinner the slices, the sweeter and softer the onions will become as they cook. Next, finely chop the garlic, and here's a tip. The finer you chop it, the more intense flavor you'll get. Next, heat a pan over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna start with the onions, sautéing them until they turn golden brown. I like to add the garlic later because it burns too quickly. Once the onions are golden, it's time to add harissa paste. This is what's gonna give your tofu that punch of flavor. Traditionally, harissa is quite spicy, but I prefer the milder version using less chili and more bell pepper instead. Check out the harissa recipe on my channel. Crumble in the tofu just like you'd scramble eggs, and don't hesitate to do it by hand. Mix well and let the tofu absorb all these beautiful juices. Cook for about 3 minutes until it heated through and has a texture of scrambled eggs. A common mistake is using too firm tofu here, making the dish feel dry and crumbly. I place the scrambled tofu on the plate first, then arrange a handful of fresh leafy greens, and I prefer to use here a few different types. Slice a fresh avocado and place half on the side. Sprinkle everything with chili flakes and nigella seeds for a bit of spice, and finish it off with chopped cilantro and drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I also like to serve this dish with flatbread, and here I have Indian multigrain roti. And there it is, spicy scrambled tofu with harissa paste, protein packed, low carb, and perfect for breakfast. If you like this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more smart carb meals. Bon appetit!